I've paid for and tested a ridiculous number of AI editing tools, and honestly, most of them are sizzle with no steak. But there are 5 that actually earn a spot in a creator's stack. You can spin up cinematic moments from a single prompt, clone your on-camera self, let AI chew through edits, even stitch together scene-by-scene AI films. I'll show you what each one is really good for without the hype, and then I'll show you the part almost everyone sleeps on, turning all that output into a consistent stream of shorts across your socials on a schedule so you grow without babysitting the timeline. Let's start with the toy that makes everyone's jaw drop. Higgsfield is your one-click, how did you even shoot that machine? You bring an image, ideally your face or a modeled shot, and it bolts on ridiculous movie-grade effects in seconds. Think warehouse explosion behind you while you stroll away like a main character. Push in zoom to the right eye that feels like a thriller. Angel wings unfurling mid-frame. The workflow is dead simple. Prep a few images, pick an effect from the catalog, write a descriptive prompt, keep the enhanced toggle on, and render. Drop in your own sound design after, and the clip plays way above its weight. Next up is the Please Save Me Hours category, turning one long video into a pile of short reels. Opus Clip is built for that. You paste a YouTube link or upload a file. Set target length, pick or make a template, and go. A few minutes later, you've got a grid of clips to choose from. If you want to go full, I made a story while I ate lunch, OpenArt Stories feature is a sleeper hit. You pick a story type, create a custom character, or pick a pre-made one. Set aspect ratio, write a prompt, click create, and it builds scene by scene. If a shot feels off, you tweak the image prompt, regenerate that frame, and sync it back in with one click. Then export the whole story. Captions, the app, is less about effects and more about saving you from setup days. It auto-generates subtitles and can create an AI twin of you. Record or upload a clean video of yourself speaking, name the clone, and in around 15 minutes it shows up ready to read scripts as you. If you don't want to use your likeness, you can pick an AI creator persona, drop a script, pick styles, and get a finished talking head video. And then there's Google Flow's Scene Builder with the Extend workflow, which is the closest thing to stitching AI films right now. You start text to video for a base scene. By scene, add it to the builder, then extend to create connecting shots like hallway walks or reactions. The extend function runs on a faster, lower quality model, so sometimes bridge shots look softer or off style. But you trim and jump back to the high quality model for key moments. All 5 of these tools earn their keep in the right moment. Higgsfield gives cinematic spice, Opus Clip brute forces clips, OpenArt Stories builds narratives fast, Captions scales your face, and Google Flow stitches scenes. But none solve the problem that decides growth, getting from cool outputs to posting twice a day, every week, without burning weekends. That's where I hand the back half to Vizard. Here's the real workflow that scales. I record one meaningful video a week, a tutorial, update, demo, or podcast, then drop it into Vizard. Vizard watches the whole thing, grabs clean hooks, mic drop lines, and cuts vertical clips with auto-aligned captions in minutes. I make taste decisions instead of grunt work. Alright, I set a brand caption style once, trim clips to the best lines, add B-roll or motion backgrounds if needed, and the edits take minutes. The superpower is the content calendar. I see my week laid out with posts flowing like a story instead of noise, then turn on auto-schedule to post on TikTok, Instagram Reels, Shorts, and more without lifting a finger. All those other tools feed this machine. I drop Higgsfield effects as openers, slice OpenArt Stories into mini-series, mix Captions AI twins with real clips, and use Google Flow scenes as visual hooks, all consistent with Vizard's style. Small practices in Vizard matter a lot. Protect the first 3 seconds with a hook, break subtitles on meaning, keep captions off mouths, use emphasis sparingly, and test style on low brightness. If you want a no-stress weekly plan, film 20 minutes Monday morning, push it to Vizard before lunch, tweak a few clips, drag into the calendar, and turn on auto-schedule. Total time after recording, about 30 minutes for 10 posts shipped. For teams, this saves sanity. Editors see queued assets, strategists rearrange narratives, clients leave quick notes, and brands hijack slots with ease. It's all smooth and stress-free. To be fair, those 5 tools have their place, but none own your cadence. Vizard layers your work, finds hooks, standardizes look, maps your week, and presses publish for you. Bottom line, your audience doesn't reward, I tried 5 tools. They reward, you showed up today and it was good. Record once, review once, schedule once, and move on. That's how you go from wow effects to real growth without hiring a small post house or losing your weekends.